How the hell y'all doing? Clint for the Doorway 2, doing another one of those reviews you love oh so much. Today is Saturday, January 10th, 2026. We're going to be doing the first proper record. They have a demo out before this from a band out of, I think it's Louisville, Kentucky. They are called Redivider. The album is called Sound of Malice. The LP, if I'm looking correctly, is on Third House Communications, or Third House Communications is just helping them push the record. It's on vinyl and digital that I know. It is 7 tracks long of old school, just kick-ass death metal. If you want an old school like Earache or Nuclear Blast style or Relapse style band from the 90s or early 2000s, Redivider is that goddamn band. Sounds great, crushes. Here we go. We're going to listen to several tracks off of this 5-piece out of Louisville, Kentucky. We are going to start with the very first track on the record. It's called Quartered and Devoured. Here we go. Track number 1 off of the new Redivider record. Of like Old Grave, Unleashed. It reminds me of like early Immolation. Like, it's just fucking fantastic, man. It's even got that kind of incantation doomy kind of vibe going on. Anyway, let's listen to another track of Redivider's brand new record, Sounds of Malice, that came out on LP and digital yesterday. We're jumping to track number 3. It's called Shackled to Existence.
As
know what else it really reminds me of is a band from Florida called Brutality. The first two Brutality records have the same kind of vibe, and they're like one of my favorite death metal bands ever. So, well done, Redivider. Again, the album is called Sounds of Malice. They are a 5-piece out of Louisville, Kentucky. I think the LP is on Third House Communication. Looks like it from the way I'm looking at it. And then the digital release is digitally released by either the band or Third House as well. We are going to listen to one more song and wrap this up. We are going to listen to the very, very last song, track number 7. It is called Left to Rot. Go ahead. Tell me that does not sound like Immolation. It sounds like the best parts of Immolation. Again, Redivider. The album is called Sounds of Malice. Came out yesterday on LP and digital. Looks like it's through Third House Communication. Get this goddamn thing. Old school, blistering death metal the way you absolutely going to love it. 5-piece out of Louisville, Kentucky. If you like this kind of stuff, I will leave links to their Bandcamp and social media. If you like what I do, please like and subscribe to the Doorway 2 magazine on Instagram, YouTube, Rumble, and or BitChute. And until next time, this is your old buddy Clint from the Doorway 2. I will see you.